YouTube, man. My people, I missed you. I'm back. I love you. And today we are taking a look at an SB. And let me just tell you, man, I love myself some SB dunks. Like, that's one thing I definitely do. And this past couple of years, I want to say the past 2 years, I've been really heavily on collecting SB dunks. And I'm just really happy to see that Nike's still coming out with it. And I think in my mind, honestly, in my opinion, they've been kind of getting a little more easier to obtain, in my opinion. But remember how this year we talked about the City of Love, right? We did the Burgundy, right? We went ahead and did the Light Bone, right? And then a couple years back, remember we had the Paisleys?
That's
remember
pretty
that?
good.
Oh man, one of my favorite pairs, man. But it is now time to talk about a drop that happened last week for Tuesday, and today we are taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style colorway. And I love the graphical text. I'm a sucker for graphical patterns, like I really am. And I think Nike did a great job executing this one, especially with the summer getting ready to come pretty soon. This is going to be perfect for that. So with all of that said, YouTube, let's take a look at it right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. Super happy to see you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you see from my shirt, we do got the Nike box today. You can actually find this over at Nike outlets, I think for like $25. And I had to go with the Cabela's red hat today. Now, I know I've been doing a whole bunch of like Nike hats, but I was like, I have to keep it rotated up. And as you can see, it literally just landed. I was eating a bowl of cereal, and FedEx said, we're gonna drop this off for you. And this is actually a Nike SB we're looking at today. I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, before we actually take a look at today's sneaker review, the brand that we are taking a look at today is Nike. And like I already went ahead and pretty much gave it away, we're looking at an SB. Now, this year we did go ahead and get so far the Nike SB Dunk Low, the City of Love, which we did in that light bone and we did in that burgundy. We already did reviews on that, so go watch that. But now we have finally got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. And with the retail price being $115, these did go ahead and drop last Tuesday. I'm really excited for these because if you look at the actual pictures of these, they have a very nice pattern texture on it. And we won't be doing it here, but underneath that actual texture, there is a cutaway of a different texture, which is kind of like a red and yellow from what I have seen. So before we even go ahead and take a look at these, I do want to give you guys your shout outs because you guys are amazing. Like, seriously, I'm blessed to be in a position where I'm even able to go ahead and make content for you guys. Check out the last few videos I've made because I've been going really crazy on that. And yeah, let me go give you guys your kudos and let's get straight into the City of Style. Let's go. Okay, so first and foremost, before we even take a look at these Nike SB Dunk Lows, let the kid just say, I am seriously appreciative of you guys each and every video. You guys have been showing so much love. Dude, we literally just hit 4K and we're about to be at 4,500 subscribers. Like, dude, you guys are moving at a such fast pace, and your guys' comments too have been absolutely insane. So if you haven't already, make sure you definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get featured like you see right here, all you got to go ahead and do is engage with the channel. As long as you are engaging with the channel, the kid will do his part and put you in this feature section like you see right here. And the reason why I like doing this is just because it is a way for me to give back to you guys. So we're on that race to 5K. We're on that race to 10K this year. That is the goal. So if you want to get featured, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will put you in I promise you I will put you in the feature section. So with that said, no more talking. Let's take a look at these Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. Let's go. Oh, so we got the box right here. So let's go ahead and actually open this. Love the fact that Nike has not been doing the boxes where pretty much everyone knows when you get it from Nike, you know, with the tape. So let's go ahead and peel this up. But like I said, you did go ahead and these did drop last week on Tuesday for Nike. Goodness. Oh my God. That box was hard to open, but they did go ahead and drop over on Nike, and if I'm not mistaken, there's also like local skate shops. I'm pretty sure that did go ahead and get them. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can kind of check it out, and like, you know, secondary markets where you can get it. And the price on these aren't going for too bad. I want to say like 140, 150, 160, but I'm pretty sure as, you know, time goes on, they probably will creep up. So here we go. Right here, we got the box. Right here, it does go ahead and say Nike SB, and usually when your SBs, it does come in your rainbow, your cream, and your purple. Ours does come in the purple. And then let's go ahead and pen it and read the size description right now. So this one does go ahead and read Nike SB Dunk Low PRM Premium football grade coconut milk. Man, they've been going crazy with the coconut milk lately. Size 11. Now when it comes to the sizing, I recommend going true to size. You'll be perfectly fine. This is a 12.5 in women's, and the SKU code does go ahead and read FN588000N1. Let's go ahead and post that right there so you guys can go ahead and see. Please feel free to pause it at any given moment. That way, you know, you can go ahead and put those numbers in if you cannot find it. So let's go ahead and pan these things. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and pull it up. And man, we've been reviewing so many SBs this year. Like, I'm obviously loving it more and more. And shout out to Nike and all the spots have been letting me, you know, actually hit it to bring these reviews for you, because it's greatly appreciated. So let's go ahead and pull this back. As you see right here, nothing crazy. You do get hit with your regular tissue paper like your SBs. It is done in green like that right there. And then let's go ahead and, is there any tissue, anything else? Okay, let's go ahead and pull this back in a 3, a 2, and a 1. Here we go, right here. Ooh, look at the texture on this thing. Look at the pattern, y'all. Look at the pattern on this. So here we go right here, the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. This is the left. Let's go ahead and pull out the right one right now. Hold on, does it come with any SB stickering? We'll see right now. Boom, here we go. Right here, we did go ahead and get the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. Now, really quick, before we go ahead and take a look at one of these, like I did go ahead and say, we got the City of Love, which is behind me. We did go ahead and review the Burgundy, which is a very nice colorway and not going for too much right now. And then we also did go ahead and review the Light Bone right there. Both those videos dropped over on the channel, so go take a look at that. But as we can see right here, very nice, very wonderful. Love the textures of patterns they have right here. Reminds me of the Paisley Dunks, and I actually do have them. I might do a comparison as we go on in the video. But let's take a look at, let's do the left today. Let's do the left. Now, before we actually start, remember I was looking for that sticker. I thought they didn't go ahead and have it, but we did see it. It's right there. Most of your Nike SB Dunks always come with your sticker right there. So let's go ahead and pan into this review and let's get straight away into it. Now, looking at the outsole right here, you got an all clear, I want to say it's pretty much like a white, kind of like that coconut milk outsole right there. Now we do go ahead and get a Nike SB. As you can see the logo right there, it is done kind of like in that brownish color. As we come up right here, you do go ahead and get pretty much the entirety of the shoe. Now looking at the whole entire shoe right here, looking at the side panels and the swoosh, it is done in this wrap. As you can see, it's kind of like a graphical wrap, and if we look a little bit closer, there's a lot of like graffiti on it and like different like clouds and different stitching in there. There's like a Nike logo right there too. Check it out, like a basketball right there. I think that's pretty cool, man. They went kind of crazy with this one. As we come up to the sides, or excuse me, the toe box right here, as you can see, you do get more of that wonderful pattern right there. As it comes up, you do get hit with more of kind of like your, I want to say it's more like a wheat color type of lace right there. As you come up to your tongue does go ahead and say Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and it is also done kind of like in a mocha hit right there. As we look at the back of the heel is done more in like that wheat texture pattern right there, and then it is done. You can see more of your graphical hits on them. Your pattern is very lovely. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. I wonder, does this come with extra laces? I think it's in the other one, but we will take a look at that. Take a look at the, whoopsie, real quick. Taking a look at the insole right there, it does go ahead and say Nike SB Air Zoom. It's done kind of like that copper color, that wheat color, and then you do have that right there. Take a look at that. Let the camera focus that for y'all right there. And this is pretty much the entirety of the review right here. These are the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. I really think these are really clean. Like I said, we're not gonna be cutting these because underneath it, there is a whole different texture to it. But I will go ahead and put a picture up so you can see it right here. But that's pretty much what they look like after you go ahead and cut this up. Very nice. They've done this a lot in the past with a lot of the different SBs. Let me take a look at the other one because I don't know if it comes with any extra laces. Oh, it does not. It does not come with extra laces. Oh man. It's all good though. Yeah, there it is right there. You just come with in the wheat laces. I still love these a lot. Very nice. I like them. Definitely a collector's piece. Cannot wait to do the on feet, and we will do a separate video when we do a how to style. Definitely how to style and how to lace as well. But let me know, here they go right here. Let me know how you feel about the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style. I think this is a different one. Very much a collector's piece in my opinion. I know a lot of people went for these, and like I said, I don't think resale is going too crazy for them. So if you do want them, kind of get on the ball now before, you know, prices zoom. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review, but let's get a closer perspective because I always try to get the best reviews for you guys. That way, before you buy it, you know exactly what you're gonna get. So let's take a closer look at it right now. So here we go, right here, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style, and I will say these things got that style for sure. With retail price being $115, this is definitely a must-have dunk. I'm sorry, my apologies, $125 I believe the retail price is. But look at the different textures on it. Look at the different patterns on it. Very, very lovely. You have like subways. You have like the Nike logo right there. So hard in my opinion. I like the fact how they went with the outsole too. Nike, it's time to start seeing some more green, man. More green dunks. You know, with me being, you know, Kid Enough, right? I love that green. Come on, give me more green dunks. But do let me know what you guys think about them. And I think especially with the summer coming up, perfect for that time. Perfect, perfect, perfect for that time. So let the kid know what you think about the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Style colorway. All right. Now, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike SB Dunk Low in the City of Love colorway. I'm bringing it to an on-feet review. This has been the video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Seriously, I'm working so hard. I appreciate you guys for 4,300 subscribers. That's actually insane. We're getting ready to break it. Like I feel like we're getting like 50 subscribers every day. Literally, hit that like button, hit that comment button. Let's get 20 new subscribers on this video. I'm working so hard for you guys, and you guys are really showing the support, so it means a lot. This has been your boy. This has been your Kid Neff, right? There's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. Really quick as well. Out of all the City of Style and City of Love, which one are you rocking more? Are you going with the burgundy? Are we going with the City of Style? And are we going with the coconut milk? And you know what, real quick, I know I was gonna end the video, but hold on, because I do want to get the paisley really fast. Hold on. All right, so real quick. So remember how, I don't know if you remember, I forgot when they dropped, but these remind me so much of these right here, man. And I actually haven't done a review on this. I've been meaning to do it, but because we have these, I had to do a comparison. But yes, these are absolutely clean. And I'm thinking one of the best dunks that dropped, I want to say, was it 2020, 2021 that these dropped? But yeah, these are definitely screaming for me. I definitely am taking these before these, but still, it's still kind of like a nice little, like, in my opinion, a throwback, you know? So, like I said, guys, appreciate you guys so much. On-feet reviews coming right now. There's only ever gonna be one of you, so be the best you. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace, guys.
Oh, Jones, you did it again.